Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of practice with commas and introductory phrases and clauses. So you won't need to put your name on this one. You're going to be keeping this one. Don't submit this one to me. There's another one that you're going to be doing on your own. Okay, so this one you're just going to be practicing with me. Okay, so this one says for the directions, you're going to place a comma where it belongs. Make sure it is easy to see. So as we do this one together, you don't have to actually physically put the comma on the page. I just want you to be thinking and knowing and seeing where I put the comma on the page. Okay, so for number 1, the sentence says, "Beyond the shadow of the ships, I watched the water snakes." So I would put the after ships. Beyond the shadow of the ships, comma, I watched the water snakes. Okay, number 2. If my friend arrives soon, I will be glad. So I would put the comma after soon. If my friend arrives soon, comma, I will be glad. Okay, number 3. Ever since he tried the casserole, he has liked eating celery. So I would want my comma after casserole. Ever since he tried the casserole, comma, he has liked eating celery. Number 4. If you are nice to people, it will make a difference. My comma would want to be after people. If you are nice to people, comma, it will make a difference. Number 5. After a long practice, she was ready for a nap. You would want your comma after practice. After a long practice, comma, she was ready for a nap. Number 6. Until we meet again, I will be thinking of you. You would want your comma after again. Until we meet again, I will be thinking of you. It's kind of hard to see that comma, but it's right there after the N. Okay, number 7. Under the big oak tree, I buried my favorite dog. You would want your comma after tree. Under the big oak tree, comma, I buried my favorite dog. Sorry, it's having a little trouble today. Not working that great, but you get the idea. It's right after tree. Number 8. When the teacher calls on me, I will know the right answer. You would want your comma after me. When the teacher calls on me, comma, I will know the right answer. Number 9. If our team wins the championship game, we will have a celebration. If our team wins the championship game, comma, we will have a celebration. Number 10. Since I lost my glasses, I can hardly see. You would want your comma after glasses. Since I lost my glasses, comma, I can hardly see. Number 11. While the tropical storm hit, we hunkered down in the house. You would want your comma after hit. While the tropical storm hit, we hunkered down in the house. And number 12. Even if you do not enjoy reading, you will love this book. You would want your comma after reading. Even if you do not enjoy reading, comma, you will love this book. So as you can tell, as I read these sentences, you can kind of hear me pause where the commas will be. That's kind of a good way to tell where these commas go in these sentences with these introductory phrases and clauses. It's kind of an easier way to tell where these might be. So next what you're going to be doing is working on a page by yourself. I've uploaded those, and so you'll put a text box in where the comma will be for those.